Knang manlap ya kijing shisha halor kijing ti bat saran bi an ya uduyong haga jalawe glem unong yalam kaliang prosya kayeng do bat hawan u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula dawa ya kijing to akit dakatanat kabalai lut kabom dan kanu kijing te kijing khum ne kijing tuklar na kinu inu kiliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong ya kani haba ya kren berkilat sai khubor hadin kijing jurip ya kijaka bu duyong kibala lumthup hakhli rangna Shangpung ha West Gentle Hills hinen kesengi ka apu pratrik ursau lasanan lang ya u Dr. Mukul da angut ki MLA ka Kongres kata uba David Nongrum, bat uba M Rapsang u Deputy Commissioner ka West Gentle Hills u Gerard L. S. N. Dykes u Divisional Mining Officer uba Marshal Silti bat kiwe-kiwe. U Dr. Mukul Sangma ulay thuru ba kajingwan jurip syakatay kajaka kabalum duyong hakhli rangna knang ban pinsisya hatu udon sisya na hadu iway pensap huway lak metrik ton kumbalakam dak sarkar Meghalaya ha kajing ujor ha ka arpulay tirik upana jili mentaus nem. Ula ong baharin kajing jurip bat jinglum jinghen la antar ba uduyong hati kajaka udon tang kumba laipo 1000 metrik ton EA bat kalong keke ka bapela babon na uduyong hati kajaka ulong ubadang sudap tisyan.
If you have to really unearth the truth, you'll have to ensure that an agency which is completely free from any interference is engaged for such investigation. The government probably intends to go slow on the auctioning of the coal which was indicated in the inventory submitted to the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes.
You know, amounting to 32 lakh metric ton.
Yes.
I have shared with the media that this 32 lakh metric ton of coal which was submitted in the inventory before the Honorable Supreme Court, I am 100% sure does not exist anymore. If it does not exist anymore, if this 32 lakh metric ton of coal as was reflected in the inventory, if it doesn't exist anymore, where have it gone? That is to be investigated, no? That means, has it been lifted illegally? Or was it not there at the first instance? Therefore, this process of auctioning by Coal India Limited must be for all the 32 lakhs at one go, not in piecemeal, because that will only delay the whole process of both auctioning and transportation of the consignments which is claimed to be existing and which was reflected in the inventory amounting 32 lakh of metric ton. So there should not be that piecemeal auctioning. That piecemeal auctioning is another modus operandi designed by this government. That must not be allowed. Which is indicated at 1,41,000 metric ton does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Till now we have done. This is hardly coming to, it's almost 50% done. As I've said, it will come to around 15,000 metric tons so far. Another half is there. Another 10, 15,000. Calculate 20,000. Calculate 30,000. It will still be around 30, 40,000. But as I have said, even the look of this whole collection of coal scattered all along looks fresh, but this particular report is of June 2nd June 2020. 2nd June. Does it look like the stock of 2nd June? How much of rain has come and gone? It's a state where we receive the highest rainfall. The order clearly indicates that it shall be monitored by NGT committee. What has happened? Justice Kattaki resigned. What was the reason? If you go through his report, that will be enough for all of you to really create a story and tell the truth to the world. It's a predetermined delay. And those who are engaged in this complicity are those who are part of the criminal conspiracy. So it's a complete question of investigating the aspect of criminal conspiracy. I went through the auction order, award of the auction by different districts. It's quite interesting. Now, before we fix the base price for the coal for the auctioning? What is the mechanism? What is the modalities that the government has to adopt? They'll have to look at the quality of the coal. They'll have to verify the gross calorific value of the coal, based on which the pricing of the coal is verified, and then the base price is indicated. You'll be surprised to see that the base price of the coal which are being auctioned are at pathetically low price, which also results in loss of revenue for the state. Now this challan which is being used against the so-called auction coal of the unclaimed coal by the authorities, as alleged by the general members of the mining community. I had the privilege to hear yesterday. They are questioning, how is it that these challans are being used for sale? And then this is a complete, well scripted modus operandi, as I have to say, to fulfill the greed of few. This must stop.